Healing doesn't always come in prescriptions. Sometimes it comes in playlists. Have you ever noticed how a song can shift the mood in a room? One song can bring you to tears, and another one makes you want to get up and dance. This isn't a coincidence, it's biology. Music speaks directly to the nervous system, and it can create calm, connection, and even healing. Studies show that music lowers stress hormones, regulates heart rate and blood pressure, and even boosts the immune system. Music therapy is now used in hospitals for pain relief, in memory care for people with dementia, and in mental health settings to reduce anxiety and depression. So what's happening? Music synchronizes with our bodies. It helps regulate brain waves, breathing, and emotion centers. The best part is, music is free, accessible, and universal. You don't have to be a musician to benefit. Simply listening to calming music before bed can improve sleep. Singing or humming stimulates the vagus nerve, which calms the stress response. Dancing or moving to music boosts joy and connection. Dancing with another person can even sync your heartbeats. It's a reminder that healing doesn't always come in prescriptions. Sometimes it comes in playlists.